In the annals of history, certain events stand out not just for their magnitude, but also for their enigmatic nature. One such incident that continues to captivate the imagination of scientists and enthusiasts alike is the Tunguska Event of 1908. The Tunguska Event refers to a mysterious explosion that occurred near the Tunguska River in Siberia, Russia, on June 30th, 1908. Eyewitnesses reported seeing a bright flash of light followed by a shock wave that knocked people off their feet and flattened trees for miles around. The explosion was so powerful that it registered on seismographs as far away as England. Despite over a century of research, the exact cause of the Tunguska event remains a subject of debate among scientists. One prevailing theory suggests that a meteoroid or comet entered the Earth's atmosphere and exploded before reaching the ground. This explanation is supported by the lack of a crater at the epicenter of the blast and the presence of microscopic rock particles in the soil. However, alternative hypotheses have also been proposed, including the idea that the explosion was caused by a small black hole passing through Earth, or even an extraterrestrial spacecraft crashing to the ground. While these theories may seem far-fetched, they cannot be entirely ruled out due to the limited evidence available. The Tunguska event holds significant scientific importance beyond its mysterious origins. It serves as a reminder of the potential threat posed by near-Earth objects, such as asteroids and comets, which could collide with our planet with devastating consequences. Understanding the nature of such events is crucial for devising strategies to mitigate the risk of future impacts. In recent years, advances in technology have enabled scientists to better study and track near-Earth objects, reducing the likelihood of a surprise event like the Tunguska event. Initiatives such as NASA's Near-Earth Object Observations Program and international collaborations aim to identify and monitor potentially hazardous asteroids and comets, providing early warning of any potential threats. Despite the passage of time, the Tunguska event continues to fascinate researchers and the public alike. Its legacy serves as a testament to the mysteries of the universe and the importance of continued exploration and discovery. As scientists strive to unravel the secrets of this enigmatic event, one thing remains certain: the Tunguska event will forever hold a place in history as one of the most compelling and enduring mysteries of the modern era.